Okay, we're getting set to go here. Taking our anti-seasickness pills. Andrew's in the front cabin. We're fairly well stocked here.
Where you at with our cabin?
Yeah. We've got lots of food and beer and drinks and strawberries and wine. Kids are in the back. Life vests. We're off! Dan. Yeah. Jeez. Good morning.
Good morning. Kami magkamuchinos.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So Andrew, give me a favor.
Good morning.
Interview me. Point that thing at me. Thanks. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is the trip of the Lomani. We don't have any pictures, I'm sorry, because basically we left Newport Beach, wind was blowing right at us. So it was a really boring time of sitting around motoring, going over the waves for about 2 hours. Andrew had the good idea of going north a little bit so that we could get some better wind possibly later. Maybe a little bit of wind, not much wind, maybe a little bit of wind. So we didn't take any pictures because it was boring. But then we had the good idea about 2:45, let's go put up the sails. 20 knots of wind, the whole way, big waves. No pictures because everybody was busy running around, hoisting and lowering and backling and tackling, and Andrew had a great time sailing, I had a great time sailing, Gabby took care of the kids.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened.
So for the rest of the story, we get into the harbor, call up to the harbor master. Harbor master says wait for somebody to come get us. Somebody came to get us. Poor Andrew was stuck getting all the lines straight for belting us into a very nice position. We're very close to the shore here. Went out last night to a little restaurant, Mexican bar place. Fine. Came home. Crashed. Andrew slept outside. 4 of us slept in a little cabin in here. We'll survive. This morning, Ed has a really bad back. Gabby accidentally burned her left hand pouring coffee. A lot of very irritating minor camping sort of injuries, and so instead of sailing today, we're just going to take a bus tour, and then we'll do our sailing tomorrow, going back to Newport Beach. And that's the whole story. You're probably not going to see very many more pictures.
Well, maybe today, yeah. So,
that's my story.
Gabika, show me your BB.
Ja, nem lát semmit, de az egész kezem ég. Vicces?
Yep.
This is where I sleep. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Hugo cheese again? Are we ready for another? Hey, Cam. Cam. Cheese.
Chip.
Cheese. Uh-huh. Are we on Catalina Island? Did we come out here on our own boat? Yeah. Uh-huh. Who'd we come with? Hi-oh. Who'd we come with? Uncle Andrew? Cheese! That is Dan, yeah. Mm-hmm. And where are we? Are we on Catalina Island?
Yes.
Did we take a boat out here?
Yes, I am.
Is it a big boat?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. All right.
It's a bus.
That's a bus. We're going to go on that bus. Better? You better? Thank you, Andrew. That was good. There are more over there.